Well, today I get some of my driveway back because we're saying goodbye to the Proton out the front and also the Daewoo out the back. And this should be good because it means I get a little bit of flat area back again. The plan was to put the orange car there, but I think I'm going to leave it where it was halfway up the driveway, so I've got some working room again. Well, it's a miserable winter's day. A truck driver called 20 minutes ago and said he'd be here in 10. So while I'm out here waiting for the tow truck, my torque converter for the go-kart just arrived. And that's come in a pretty big box, so that should be interesting. I can't wait to tear into it and see what it is. Meanwhile, the truckie's still half an hour late. Here he is at long, long last. Bye, cars. And now it's time to put this beastie back home. Well, now I've got to try and get the focus off the wet lawn. So yeah, this a-hole talon-e tried taking both cars for half the price I was quoted. I basically told him to pay me or go home. Guess who won? Because for now, little orange Fiesta is right back where it belongs. And we didn't really tear up the lawn that much either. That is because the tyres on that car are bald. So eventually I'd like to really tidy up under there and convert it to a workspace. But for now, I'm right back down to only one working car.